So to start this project, you're going to take your piece of cardboard, any size that you want, and just kind of spread it out on the floor. And on top of this, you're going to take your Halloween lights and just spread them out into whatever pattern you like. After you've done that, you're going to take your spray foam and just spray a layer over the top of your lights. Now try not to cover up your plug, that's why I have mine sticking outside the end. And on top of this, just take your old bones, some twigs, and a skull, and just mash it into the foam. So here, I took some old wood ash that I had in my fire pit and just kind of sprinkled it over the top. Now you really don't have to push this in, but just kind of let it set on top of the foam. After that, you're going to take your red spray paint and just kind of mist over the top. Don't go too heavy here. And then you want to take your black spray paint and spray paint the edges of your cardboard. And there you have it. Your fake fire is done. So plug it in and put it outside wherever you want. So here I shut the lights off in my garage just to see what it looked like. And as you can see, it was pretty cool. I actually really thought this came out very, very nice.